directions.
No, ma'am. The latest one, ma'am. The latest one in which there was a one very small one written in the center of it.
Okay. So basically, I agree with what Divyam is saying that it is, even though it is tilted in a very positive direction, it still is very static because what is happening is the size of both the alphabets is equal. And another point that I want to make here is that recognition of A is missing because A can also here be read as a capital Q, because initially when I saw this, I actually read it as Q. So a very important thing in these exercises is that both the alphabets should be read as the alphabets that they stand for. I mean, not something else. So, like for example, in Ankit's work, S was being read as 5. So it's similarly here. The small letter A is being read as capital Q. That's what how I saw it. So where the energy aspect is concerned, it does look very static. Needs something more to it for it to become more energetic. Like for example, the AR with the last AR has much more energy because of the A repeating 3 times. You see that the resonation of A and R. What is happening is there are two black lines separately which are creating an A, and the inside negative space is also creating an A, and similarly the R. So because of that echoing of A and R, it is creating more energy compared to A and R here. You agree with what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am, I see your point.
Yeah. So, and in fact, the tilt is also more pronounced here.
Yes, ma'am.
So, because of that very pronounced tilt, again, you know, it gives it a movement, a dynamism, a kind of an energy. But this, I'm not saying, is also fully resolved. It has further scope. It can be developed very beautifully further.
Yes, ma'am.
So, in fact, so again, then what happens is the second AR on the page, which you've done, I think it's a very free flowing kind of a brush stroke. Or
Yes,
maybe
ma'am.
you've done it with a marker pen or maybe with the brush. I don't know. You've done it with the brush?
No, ma'am, with the marker only.
Marker. But it gives like a very brush like a feel. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And it is a very spontaneous kind of a movement I see. There's a gray patch which is appearing, most of it is getting covered.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I can see. So it has that spontaneity in it. It has that energy because with that spontaneity and the thickness and thinness of lines, the energy is getting created, and it is giving a very artistic vibe as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now you have to say that what you think represents Akhil more. Maybe you can pick out three or two or three or maybe four, and start working on each of them individually.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so many iterations of each one would be created before we resolve it. So maybe I don't want to choose, but you tell me after this discussion, which ones do you now want to go ahead with on this page, and then we'll move to the next page.
Right, ma'am. So, like you said, the last one, it has a lot of scope, so I'll try going for that. The one above it, because that also feels very artsy.
But is artsy or brief?
No, ma'am, but I can try to convert this artsy movement into something energetic as well. So I think I will try doing that.
Okay.
Right. So, ma'am, this one, and I'll maybe try doing variations of this one, like I've done here.
Okay, you can try variations
Yeah.
if you wish to. Next page. Is there anything that you like on the next page?
Ma'am, I like this one.
Okay. So you like this graffiti like look and feel.
Yes, ma'am.
So, uh, okay, lively, energetic, fine, you can explore this. And then, what else?
Uh, I tried exploring negative space here with the word positive and also putting the word R in here, but it doesn't really give that
No.
energetic vibe in this one.
And it feels like a doctor's clinic, you know.
Right.
So I would rather not go for this. It doesn't describe your brief at all.
Right.
The
Uh,
AR where you use multiple colors, again, the good thing about that is while we have to do only in black and white. So there is a possibility in that as well. Because what when I look at it, it has a playfulness, a very positive playfulness to it, especially because again the same idea which is repeating, how the echoing of the alphabets I can see in both A and R. Similarly, a page before you've done similar things. This is also on similar lines. So this is also possible for you to explore further.
yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
Uh, this one, what I did was I took inspiration from the Conexit logo, the one which I was giving the presentation about yesterday. I was like looking at its clean cut horizontal, like its clean horizontal cuts and the small curves and the sans serif, everything. So like this is, I kind of developed this font by looking at that font. So
Okay. If you wish to explore, you explore. I mean, there's no problem in that. But eventually, you take a call based on that brief that you've written. There's no harm in exploring more and more because it then just develops your visual sensibilities. So there's no harm. Anything else?
ma'am, I don't know about this one. This is like I since Akhil is from Kerala, so I tried writing his initials in Malayalam as well, like just to
Wonderful.
play around. Yeah.
Wonderful. You could.
It's like it kind of gives the sense of a movement and like there is something going on behind it.
Yeah. Not an issue if you wish to try this as well. Go ahead. Just discuss with him if what you've written reads A and R.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Just confirm with him, and
Sure,
you
ma'am.
can try more ways of writing. Do you have enough? If you feel
Yes, ma'am.
there are
Yeah.
more that you want to explore, but now what you're going to do is like I explained to Ankit. That's exactly what I expect you also to do. So I think you're good to go.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Who's coming next?
Ma'am, me, Ankit Sikdar.
Okay, Ankit. I thought you were absent.
Yes, ma'am. I'm not feeling well, so I just didn't um, attend the class. So then I thought that you are taking the
One-to-one
yeah.
discussions.
So my partner is Ankit Kumar.
Mm.
So yes, the day when I got into the DoD family, I met many people, but I never saw a person who was so quiet and involved in his own world. His name is Ankit Kumar. So the day when I first met him, I expected him as some conserved weirdo. Uh, we could not find his presence, even though when he was present in front of us. Whenever we used to get free time, he used to either disappear or used to stay alone at a corner. Although if others start the conversation, when he might talk, but he never starts the conversation first. He was mostly an invisible guy, a conserved invisible guy, busy in his own stuffs like playing games, watching anime, etc. He is an introvert, although it depends according to the situation. He talks to people when he feels the need to, or whenever he needs help, be it a friend or a stranger. Yeah, and that's it. Right.
Okay, but what are the words that you're choosing? The word introverted,
Quiet and conserved.
introvert,
Quiet and conserved.
quiet, and
Conserved means conserved is the main, and quiet is kind of supporting one.
I didn't get this conserved.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. These are all. You have more, or these are all.
These are
Okay. So you're saying he's very quiet and very conserved and introverted, but your alphabets are so sharp. Everything is so sharp. Very very pointy and very pokey. So your visual language doesn't match your description at all. I can't see that happening. I don't know. That's what I am feeling. But you can explain which ones do you think describe him well?
I thought conserved means like into one shell. He's like so I just thought like doing something like this. The A is his world and he's conserving it. Something like that.
Yeah, that's a good idea, but you have to also, as an idea, it's actually nice. But you can't have a horizontal K because I and you know that this is a K because you're talking about Ankit Kumar. So, but the world would not know. Anybody who sees your monogram should be able to immediately know that these are the alphabets. So this it's not happening here. So what you have to do is that this is a good idea that you want to encase one alphabet in the other. Okay, it's a good idea, but you have to see what kind of A's and what kind of K's you're going to be taking. uh, Now if the what you could do is sometimes you can create your own alphabets. Maybe sometimes you need to create using a circle guide or maybe a square guide. You can create your own guideline and create an alphabet. You can be creative, but at the same time, if you're finding it difficult, you could also start by choosing some typefaces and taking the lowercase and the capital case A's and K's, or a combination. That call you have to take. So now you have to take this idea and make very many variations of this. Were you there when I was explaining how you have to do it on one idea on one A4?
Yes, ma'am.
You heard that, no? So take this idea ahead, I would say. And if there is anything else that you wish to take, इसमें से कुछ और अच्छा लग रहा है तो आप बताओ.
ये वाला मैम मुझे अच्छा लगा क्योंकि K is kind of hiding from the world. Something like A behind the K is like I thought of that idea. Yeah.
Visually, it's interesting. I like that you've done away with the crossbar of A. So that's visually quite interesting, I would say. If you wish to explore, you can explore both of these ideas.
I have
And
one
also, the class wants to give you feedback. The students present here want to give you feedback. Yeah, you were saying something, Ankit?
No, ma'am. You were telling like the alphabets are too edgy. So, do you
Too
think?
sharp.
Yeah. So, should I explore like curved ones or alphabets or like?
Yeah, so when you do these first two ideas, within this only you can try, curving the corners and the edges and see how the look changes. Or maybe you can select typefaces which are not so sharp
Okay, ma'am.
as a foundation. Try a combination of A and K, see a capital A, and a lowercase k or a capital A and K or a lowercase k, lowercase a and a capital K. You can try some of these things. However, the name is Ankit, right? So A needs to stand out much more
Yes,
strongly
yes.
than the K.
Yes,
It has to be read first. A needs to be read first.
okay,
So
ma'am.
take care of some of these things, and then I need to see a lot of options now with these two ideas of yours.
Okay, ma'am.
Same goes for Ankit Kumar and Anirudh, who already shared their screens and discussed their ideas. Okay,
Ma'am, I think this one is also quite interesting
which
because
one?
the can you see my mouse?
Yeah.
So this in this, like, the A is here, but the part of the A is also making the K kind of thing.
Yeah, that is true. But what I saw here was a Y, a Trishul. I saw a kind of a Trishul here, and also H.
Yes, maybe. Yeah.
So this is a bit confusing unless you play with the strokes. You know the thickness of the strokes.
Uh,
Okay, so how do you make A's and K's prominent is what the challenge is going to be. Because right now, with the consistent weight of A and K, I can read A, I can read K, I can read H, I can read Y, I can see a Trishul, so it's way too confusing for me at the moment. Let others also speak now because now they also know probably how to see some of these things. चलो क्लोज करें फिर किसी को कुछ नहीं बोलना तो okay so Ankit what happened to you cold cough
ma'am.
are you getting yourself tested
No, but I think it's because of the weather.
where are you
Kolkata.
okay is it getting cold in Kolkata
Yes, ma'am. But just because of my mistake, I just came up with a cold. Means I was having. During night I was switch on the fans, so that's the thing.
okay all right you can stop sharing your screen so that we can discuss another student's work
Okay, ma'am.
अंकित से तो पूछा ही नहीं आपने अंकित को क्या अच्छा लग रहा है he will tell you quietly
I can tell right now.
okay
Just give me a second. He sent me the image. I think the second one which he showed that the K was hidden inside A one idea was actually the best one out
Interesting.
of those.
yeah
And the one which you told that the K hiding behind A was also pretty good.
Mm.
But I think the first one was better, that enclosed in a shell type of thing.
Okay, fair enough. Next person. Who's next? Quickly share your screen, people. We don't have time. I have the whole class to discuss their ideas. And today I'm alone. कौन है नेक्स्ट Is it you, Rudra?
No, ma'am. Anushka is there.
अनुष्का नहीं है ना अभी क्लास में तो next person
No,
कौन है?
no, ma'am, she is there in the class.
I can't see Anushka.
Ma'am,
So next person start sharing quickly. Leave Anushka, उसका mic कभी काम नहीं कर रहा है.
yeah, so ma'am, I am next then. So
Yeah.
I'll just quickly say the brief. So my partner is Astha Parmar. So Astha is a very dark and mysterious person at the first sight when I saw her. She has a very bold personality herself. She is also an unbothered person when coming to work or something which upbounds her. She is a very sensitive and bubbly person at the same
Can
time.
I say
sometimes.
something? Can I say something?
Yeah.
All of you, what you've done is you're first describing this person, right?
Yeah.
The idea was that you first pick out those keywords, right? And expand on those keywords. That was the idea.
Yeah, ma'am, I had
What are
also
those?
like
What? No, also, nahi. This is what I want everybody to do if they're going wrong, because what is happening is that you're putting all the qualities of that person in one paragraph. That was not the idea. The idea is you pick out those two or three, or that one core idea, that core characteristic, and then describe it. Describe how they put it in stories and some anecdotes and some phrases and some synonyms, which basically help you understand that core characteristic. So this is a mistake which everyone is making. Don't do this, because what is happening, you will go in multi directions then. Okay. What is the key characteristic that you've chosen, Rudra?
yes, ma'am, the key characters I had chosen was dark, bold, unbothered, kind, sensitive, down to earth, and bubbly.
इनमें से कौन से एक पे जीरो डाउन कर रहे हो?
Ma'am, it is down to earth and sensitive.
Down to earth. So what
Yeah.
description that you've written is related to down to earth?
Ma'am, somewhat.
No, it is not.
Because, okay, yeah,
It is not. I heard what you said.
yeah.
You put everything. It's like a mishmash of things.
Okay.
Could you take some time to rewrite this while I discuss with other students?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, do that. Next person, please. And I'll come back to you again. You use this time to rewrite this.
Ma'am, it's Arushi.
Okay, Arushi.
So my partner is Prachi Shetji. She likes to be simple in every way. She is not who looks for attention, but also is not shy when she gets it. Doesn't have lot of layers in her personality. It's easy around her. One doesn't need to bring meaning to her talk. It is just what she says. She's a less complicated person. She finds happiness in smaller things and likes to be around people similar to her. So
Okay.
what I chose was simple and straightforward.
Okay.
Screenshot. Can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see the screen.
Okay, so I tried to make it look simple and straightforward, so less complicated.
Oh, all the circular logos are quite complicated. In fact, on the contrary. Okay. How's P? How's this P? I think this is 9, not P.
Yes, ma'am, this looks like 9 and 5.
Mm-hmm.
I like this one, but then you told Ankit that the main name is Prachi, so P should look first.
Yeah.
But S is.
So what is happening is in all the circular forms. Okay, I want the group to comment before I do it. Quickly. Don't have time, so much time. I have to move on to the next group. Quickly.
Ma'am, I feel rather than being simple, it is like very protective shield kind of a thing. Like it wants to defend its territory.
Yeah, okay, good point here. And anybody else?
I think the characteristics of the letters is kind of being lost.
Absolutely. I agree. What else?
I think like going for something, as she said, simple and straightforward would be better rather than trying to play too much with the elements.
Yeah, actually, it's getting. She said very easy to understand, no complications. She is what she looks, right? There's not many layers to her. So here, I feel that one in all the circular forms, the letters are not being read. Like for example, first one is 9 and S. Again 9 and S, and then it is E and S. It's looking like a small case E, and then S, and then the fourth one. I can see the P and S, but it is complicated. So yeah. Mhm. The only form which I see a lot of potential is the third one, the skeleton drawing of PNS, where the S is coming out of P. This, as a visual form, this has a lot of potential. Because it is well balanced, and the identification of letters is not lost. Identity of letters is not lost, and the form is also quite well balanced. So you need more options. You need to explore further, Arushi. Okay, Arushi, you have more.
Yes, ma'am, I'll do it.
You need to
No, ma'am.
You need more ideas. That is one, and you start working on this third one. I feel start developing this. The size of P, and we try different variations in sizes of P and S. Try different weights.
Okay.
Okay, so start and one on one A4. And the way I just explained to the group earlier, follow that. Would you go for a landscape composition or a portrait in this?
Portrait.
Okay, fine. Next person. Next person.
Ma'am, it's me Manushi. So my partner is Ashna Khanna. So she's a girl who seems very quiet in the first meet, but she's the one who always puts a smiling face, keeps on
I want the keywords first and then description.
Ma'am, I have taken funny, sarcastic, and confused.
You can't take three. Because the way you will visually represent confused will be very different from how you represent sarcastic and how you represent funny. Which one do you want to go ahead with?
Ma'am, I'm thinking to go with a funny, sarcastic.
Funny and sarcastic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is the description matching your words?
Yes, ma'am. I have written accordingly, like describing.
Because I'm not going to do like this is your brief. So whatever that you're writing has to give you cues. And if it is not apt, you take a call whether you need to change it or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
She's the one who always puts a smiling face, keeps on giggling and spreading smiles. She's funny, humorous, and sarcastic. She's optimistic and positive towards any plans. She is always confused and lazy and clumsy. At the end, she is like a sunshine bringing laughs and smiles.
Okay. Sure, let's see what you're showing.
Yes, ma'am. So first I took the quad, so like I explored using that,
Okay.
and then I went to this.
Okay. Which ones do you like? Can you just put a circle around there?
Am I?
Okay, I want you to self-critique your work. We've had some discussion with other students. So based on those discussions, which ones do you think are worth taking ahead?
Ma'am, not this one, I guess, because the identity of K is losing somewhere.
Okay.
So, and I have done this because to show like some sarcasm. So, like I have written the inverted K, the mirror image of K.
But is the K being read as K? No, na?
Maybe, yeah, I can work on that.
Which one are you talking about currently?
Ma'am, this one.
Okay.
This and this.
So this and this नहीं उसमें तो आपने उसको reverse किया mirror किया.
Yes, ma'am.
K is not being read as K. I also saw a Y over there.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
and also K is being seen before
Yes, ma'am.
because of the sizes. So these are the things that some of the things that all of you need to take care of. So this the one in the middle. What I like about this is that you saying she's funny and she's cheerful and she brings a smile to your face. What I like here is that one I saw one complete A and then one A which is under construction. I see two A's getting formed because of the vertical stroke of K, right? And then A is a capital case and K is small case. That is also bringing a lot of cheerfulness and happiness to your overall kind of a look.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is interesting, I feel, to take forward. Some of these are interesting, but you've not encircled them. Like your first on the page, first small A and K, in which not this one. This is not your first. On top of this. Yeah, this one. This has potential. You could probably develop this also, but just make sure that it is not read as H.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I think. Oh, you have these as well?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Which one do you like on this page? And why?
Here, I like this one.
Mm-hmm.
To show this, I thought like when I had the thought of keeping confused to show, so that like keeping the confused part in my mind, I did this.
But you are not talking about confusion, no?
Yeah, so and here also like here Again, the K is visible first and then the A.
It is looking like a क here. वो गुजराती में जो क लिखते हैं ना,
Yeah.
ये और देवनागरी में जो लिखते हैं, इट्स जस्ट दैट उनका उसका शिरो रेखा मिसिंग है, बाकी तो वो देवनागरी का क लग रहा है, बट गुजराती में ऊपर होता ही नहीं है उसका शिरो रेखा जो बोलते हैं. So इस पेज पे what I like is the last three ones, because what you're trying to do here is that you're creating your own language. There's no existing typeface that you've taken reference of, and you're trying to play with the geometrical shapes, and this is a good approach. Okay, so you could try this also further.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have enough people. If you want to add something, please do.
Ma'am, I also I agree with you. I as well like the last three one logo because how she described her brief matches that typeface.
Yeah, so explore that further. Yeah, now Rudra, have we done with everybody? Only Rudra is left, no?
Ma'am, I guess me and Gitika is left.
Okay. Rudra also has not shared, but yeah, he's still writing.
Not
Yeah.
even me.
Quickly, I mean, मुझे लग रहा है पूरा तुम्हारा जल्दी से दिखाओ, चलो जल्दी.
Should I go ahead or Rudra is going ahead?
As per rule number, whoever comes first. Rudra is
Okay.
not ready, but Divyam, you can go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. So my client is Vishesh, and I have picked up his fashion statement, like his way of dressing, as the main area of focus around which I'm going to develop my logo. So the key points which I have mentioned about his style of the way he dresses, his fashion statement is minimalistic, elegant, sporty, lightweight, sleek, and posed. Should I also read the whole paragraph?
Yeah, you could.
Okay, ma'am. So, Vishesh, my client is very trendy and fashionable as a person. He likes to be very posed and dress well. He portrays a statement of a certain class and a style. His way of dressing is very energetic and enthusiastic. It feels like he has a very dynamic appeal to him. Like he's kind of a sports person, but. The way he actually behaves is like very posed and he's very calm. That, and his style is not very flashy, but it is very captivating. He follows a very subtle and minimalistic way of dressing, and his personality is not very heavy. Neither his personality nor his appeal is very heavy. So I'll share my explorations.
Yeah, वो keywords क्या थे आपके? Come again.
So my keywords are minimalistic, posed, and elegant. These are the three words which I want to revolve around. And in the subcategory, I also have sleek, lightweight, and sporty.
ओ बाबा, तो सब contradictory हो जाएगा. Stick to that one or two. Minimalistic.
Okay, minimalistic, elegant.
Minimalistic and elegant.
Yes, ma'am, and also posed.
Composed. Posed. Okay.
Posed.
Okay.
I think my audio is glitching, so I'm just turning off my video.
Yeah.
So, these are my explorations which I have done. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
So, I have shown my client my exploration, and he actually likes the 15th one, the 4th one, and the 9th one.
15th.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one is 15th?
13th on the top right corner.
This is V and S.
Yes, ma'am. Vishesh, V and S.
Oh, I didn't read the V at
Vishesh
all.
Sengar.
I could not read the V in
Okay,
this. Okay, which else?
the 15th one. Okay, ma'am.
और कौन सा
Ma'am,
बताओ?
the next one is the ninth one.
Okay. Right, yeah, this is
And
interesting.
the last one which he liked was fourth one.
Which one do you like? And why?
Ma'am, I like the 12th one because ma'am, first of all, it is very sleek and like it is very minimalistic, as well as I think it conveys the message ki it is VNS.
Okay, so you want to explore this further?
Maybe ma'am, if you give your stamp.
No, that don't wait for that stamp. I think you all should say like Anirudh was saying कि मुझे ये भी करना है. ठीक है, तो वो आप भी डिसीजन ले सकते हो.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. So 12th, what you're saying 12th, I think 12th is a good idea. 12th you can explore further, but make sure you don't lose the identity of V and S. It is sleek, it is elegant, it describes your words well. 10th doesn't do that to me. 4th doesn't do that to me because but 12th does somewhere reflect the words in some way. So 12th and 9th you start exploring, like for example if in your 9th your V is very sharp and it goes very tall, the S is what is doing the balance. So can this S not be so edgy? Can this S be more it can be curved in nature visually. So all those things you try. Even with the 12 you can see you've ended the V very abruptly. If it is extended further towards S, then what happens? So try some of these things. Try with the distance. If the distance is increased or it is decreased, what happens? So you can first do a complete drawing of V and then start eliminating parts of V to arrive at a composition. Or you can do a complete drawing of S and then start erasing parts of S and bring V and S together to arrive at a composition. You can try different techniques here. If you want,
Okay,
you can also use a gateway sheet. Everybody should keep, you all have gateway sheets?
Yes, ma'am.
So everybody should keep gateway sheets with you. Like for example, if you've created one composition and you feel that V should remain as it is and the distance between V and S should increase. So you trace the S and then you increase the distance and then you trace it back again. So gateway will be helpful in doing a very quick kind of create many versions using the same composition.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so start with 12 and 9 as a start and then keep exploring.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, anywhere which I'm going wrong?
No, there's nothing wrong or right in these things. You need to just explore more.
Okay, ma'am.
The class can also give feedback. Okay, so since you people are not giving feedback, I think you all can log out and start working. Okay, everybody, you all start working, start working on the feedback given to you all. Okay, the ones who've not discussed can stay. And Manushi, you've discussed, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just put a message in the group that the second group should join in next 5 minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm next.
Yeah.
So my partner is Kavya Kanadia. I'll read out the brief.
The ones who've discussed can leave the meeting and start working. If you wish to stay, that's not a problem. अगर सुनना चाहते हो डिस्कशन तो you can stay. Otherwise, you can start doing your work. Yeah, Kanishka.
Kanishka.
Yeah, I can read Gandhi first. Yeah.
It is said cooperation is a higher moral principle than competition. For Kavya,
হ্যাঁ হ্যালো, হ্যাঁ এত লস কিছু কি নতুন নি বলে নাকি নতুন ট্রাই করার ইচ্ছা ছিল তো ওইগুলো এতটা লস কি কতগুলো শেয়ার কেনা হয়েছিল একবারে কত দাম ছিল ওটা এসএসসি আচ্ছা দাঁড়াও খুলছি আমারটা তো ফাটিয়ে দিলাম একদম এই তো হ্যাঁ এশিয়ান পেন্টস পেয়েছি বাবা তোর হ্যাঁ দেখি 11:30 ও হ্যাঁ 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 আবার তো উঠছে আবার ও মানে ওটা এখনো সেল হয়নি আমি ভাবলাম সেল করে দিই তারপরে এখনো পর্যন্ত লস হয়ে পড়ে আছে ও আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ 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 সেটা তো ঠিক হ্যাঁ সেটা ঠিক হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা 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 আমারটা তো একদম পারফেক্ট টাইমিং এ করেছি একদম মনে হলো জানো সেটাই তো দেখছিলাম আমি তো একটাই কিনবো এখন হ্যাঁ এই প্রথমবার আমার হলো প্রথমবার 15 টাকা বাড়লো ও হ্যাঁ অনেকটা বেড়ে গেছে ওরে বাবা বাবা এ তো অনেকটাই বেড়ে গেল আবার তো ওই একই জায়গায় চলে আসছে প্রায় সেটাই তো বাবা প্রেজেন্টেশন ছিল আমি তো ভেবেছিলাম আজকে করতেই পারবো না আমি তারপরে প্রেজেন্টেশন হ্যাঁ সেটাই হ্যাঁ হুম হুম আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ আরে আমি কি করছিলাম হ্যাঁ আমি তো দিয়েইছিলাম ঠিকই তো আমি ভুল বলছি কি আনবো হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে না কিছু না আমি তো 4 টাকা শুধু স্টপ লস দিয়েছিলাম 4 টাকা কম বেশি আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ আমি তো আজকে আর করবো না। আমি শুধু দেখবো মার্কেটটা, আমি মার্কেটটা শুধু দেখবো এখন। আমি তো ভেবেছিলাম করবোই না আজকে, কারণ ওই করতে পারবো না, মানে ওই ক্লাসে এই এক্ষুনি জাস্ট প্রেজেন্টেশন ছিল আমার পুরো সকাল থেকে, তো সেই করে টোরে আমি ভাবলাম দেখি কি অবস্থা, এমনিতে তো এখন ফ্লাকচুয়েট বেশি করবে না, দেখে নি। ও বাবা, দেখি একটু সময় ওয়েট করলাম, দেখি একটা নামলো এসএসসি, যখনই নামলো ওটার মধ্যে নিচে, না কিনে নিলাম, তারপরে তো হলো কিছু একটা। হ্যাঁ সেটাই তো, হ্যাঁ সেটা ঠিকই, অন্যগুলো তো ওই ইন্ডিকেটর গুলো বুঝতে হবে। থাকবে না সেটা, হ্যাঁ সেটাই, হ্যাঁ। আর ইয়ে তো কোনো লিভারেজের ওই যে ওটাকে তো কোনো কিছু মার্কেটে কোনো হেরফের হলো না তো কিছু, দেখলাম মানে। আচ্ছা, তাও লোক কেনার লোক তো থাকবেই, এটা তো একটা আছে। হ্যাঁ সেটাই। হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে। ট্রেনটা দেখলাম তো খারাপ মুভি না, আমি পরে আমি ট্রেলার ফেলার পরে দেখেছিলাম আমি, মানে ইয়ার পরে যখন বুক করা পরে। হ্যাঁ সেটাই, দেখলাম খারাপ না, ভালোই। হ্যাঁ 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 সেটাই, আমি দেখলাম ওটাই। আর ঘরে তো কিছু বলিও নি আমি, আমি জাস্ট বলেছি সাউথ সিটি যাচ্ছি, নাহলে ঝাড় খাবো, এমনিতেই দরকার নেই, বলবোই না। বলে শুধু আমি সাউথ সিটি যাচ্ছি, এবার কেন জিজ্ঞাসা করে এমনি প্ল্যান করছি কিছু একটা বন্ধুদের মিলে। তো ওই হ্যাঁ কোথায় আমাকে, কোথায় এক্স্যাক্টলি আমাকে বলো তো, কোথায় আমি আমি তাহলে দেখবো কোনটা এক্স্যাক্ট, কোন নাম, টাইমিংটা কিনেছিলে? 11টা 2, আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, এখান থেকে আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ 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 হ্যাঁ, হুম, আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ এখানটা তো, হ্যাঁ ওটা হঠাৎ করে পুরো নেমে গেছে ওটা পুরো, সেটাই, হ্যাঁ। কিন্তু এই যে এই আরএসআই যেটা আছে, না ঠিক আছে, ঠিকই বলেছে, ঠিকই, হঠাৎ করে তারপরে সবই হয়ে গেছে। হুম। হ্যাঁ এটা এখনো কমে যাচ্ছে আমার, আহ, এখনো কেন কমছে আমি বুঝতে পারছি না, এ তো এমএসিডি তে বলছে। তো আমি তো ওখানেই তো কেনে বেচলাম। না আমি তো দেখলাম যে আমি জাস্ট ওয়েট করছিলাম ওই লাইনটা, ওই যে কি ইএমএস যে লাইনটা, ওটার নিচে যখনই আসবে তখনই কিনে নেবো। তার উপরে ইয়ে এমএসসিডি তেও বলছিল যে ওখানেই কিনতে। আর ভি ওয়াপ তো আছেই পরে, ওর নিচে সবই আছে, তো সেল হওয়ার চান্স ছিল। তো দেখলাম, কিনলাম, মনে হতে হতে দেখি কমছে। দেখি তা এখনো কি কমতে থাকবে যদি এরকম, এটা আমি বুঝতে পারছি না। যদি আমি মানে না 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 আমি না না প্রশ্ন করছি যে আমি কখন সেল, মানে এই যে এখন যে কমছে, এ তো তখনও তো বোঝেনি কমবে আরো। আরে না না, ওই যে হঠাৎ করে একটা বড় জাম্প, ওটার জন্যই তো 15 টাকা চলে এসছে। এই যে ওই 17,700 থেকে 1700। হ্যাঁ, 100 টাকা না, 11 ওই লস কত হয়েছে? হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা। গ্রাফটা দেখে মনে হচ্ছে কত ছোট্ট গ্রাফ, মানে অত বড় বড় ফ্লাকচুয়েট করেনি কিন্তু। হ্যাঁ, মানে ওই নাম্বারটা দেখলে পরে বোঝা যায়, আমি তো মানে নাম্বার প্রথমে দেখিনি যে সব 100-100-র মধ্যে আছে। ও আচ্ছা 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 আচ্ছা। হুম, হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে। হুম হুম।